inspiration and motivation that I get from I don't know why, but there's people here. So I'm gonna leave, go back to, oh, that way. Let's go that way. Interesting, two cathedrals, I guess. And that's the main Marine Square, Marine Plaza. These buildings are pretty cute. Like you see, like apartment, colorful. It reminds me of apartments in Prague and Poland as well. A lot of people walking, so which is a good sign because that means many people come here, which means a lot more economic activities. So stores more open, food, stuff. You see those people chilling here, sitting. Yeah. And then a bunch of like walking strip here. A lot of like shopping stores here, right by. Well, so far, Munich is pretty good. But one of my concerns here is that at the main square, like main Platz, there's just so many tourists, and I don't know like how to tell which one is local and which one is tourist. Because almost all the people there were taking pictures, so I bet most of them are tourists, which means where do I meet actual real local people? If the whole like central area of downtown is flooded with tourists, then usually what's gonna happen is that local people become a little bit wary of all the tourists just taking pictures or buying stuff, and local people have their own life as well. Buildings here are pretty huge. That guy right now that I'm seeing, pretty big as well. Like these guys. I don't know what this is. I think this is a different style of building compared to the other one. Oh wow, this is humongous. So huge. These big lions, 2 lions, and the statue behind me, right there. Big. I see the testicles of lions. Right. I was just inside this cathedral. It was pretty tall, the ceiling was so high, and I saw like stained glass and Jesus statue. And I walked around like this how do I say, old town, downtown area, central area. And there are a lot of stores and restaurants, people drinking. Also I noticed people smoke a lot here. Entire area here is walking strip, so you see people walking around. But I noticed that most of them are, I guess, tourists. I know they do tours, so makes me wonder like where are locals. Yeah, it's the size is definitely maybe twice, 3 times, maybe 4 times bigger than the old town area in Prague and Krakow. It's pretty huge. This entire thing, like 500-meter radius is everything is like old town square. So compared to Prague is like an old town, like walking strip is like from that end or that end to that end. That was it. But whereas like in Munich here, it's like all the this times 4, like all the angle from to the east, to the north, to the south, to the west. So it's pretty huge. Yeah, already kind of finished walking around and explored the old town area. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up in Munich area because I don't wanna keep taking photos and videos and not enjoying the moments. So I'm gonna finish this Munich day 1. So yeah. Okay guys, so I thought I finished a daily vlog here in Munich, but I looked around gyms for a daily pass because I wanted to work out, and I went to 2 gyms here in city center. First one, daily pass costs 20 euros, which is like 30 Canadian dollars, and their monthly pass, first month is 140 euros, and after it's 104 euros per month. And the second gym that I just came back from, it's 30 euros for 1 day, and the monthly pass is 80 to 100 euros. It was like crazy. Like I was like, this is like a downside of Munich. It's just so everything's so expensive. I live in Canada, like Vancouver, and like rent and the housing prices is so expensive. But Munich's apartment is even more expensive, and the gym's membership, 100 euros per month. It's like 130, 150 dollars Canadian per month. That's unbelievable because I'm paying 50 Canadian dollars per month in Vancouver now. So that's like huge like downside. Living in Munich, it's pretty beautiful, but it's big, huge, and really well maintained and a beautiful high-end. But as the guy working at the gym said, he said he works at the 3 jobs, and I asked him like, so do people here make more money here compared to like in Berlin? And he said no, not much. So people here are not making much anymore, significantly more than in Berlin. So I asked him like, so do people here like to live here, or do they feel broke? And they say like the people are broke here, but they like to live here because it's like nice city, high end. So that's Munich. First day Munich, I've already figured out half the equation, like living expense, gym expense, €100. I don't think I can work out like membership for $130 Canadian every month. So yeah, that's just an update. It's super duper expensive. Like airport to city center train, I paid €30. But one way, I paid like a single day, 1 day pass for €30. But if you pay one way ticket, it's €11. So round trip, if you don't have a single day, 1 day pass, you would be paying €22 for just train. 40 minutes ride each. In Vancouver, Canada, it would be $4 one way. So see, like it's triple the price of Vancouver SkyTrain. It's crazy, so crazy. It's like a Switzerland, but a little bit cheaper on the side. But Switzerland even more expensive. So just wanted to, update from that last video. Super duper expensive. It's beautiful, but I don't know how to make ends meet here unless you're making enough money. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know how this whole thing is working here. People feel broke or people feel rich. I don't know. It's mind blowing. It makes me not want to live here because it's too expensive to go to. Alright guys, so I'm at Central Station. It's really huge. Unbelievable huge. So many people. Underground, shopping mall, station, like multiple floors, levels. It's so humongous. This city, like Munich, 1.3 millions. Amazing. I walked like probably 1 kilometers, right? 1 kilometer is like 15 minutes from the city center. Just people. It's already 7:30 p.m. I've literally walked around for 5 hours in Munich since 2 p.m. today, and it's right now dark, so lights up, really beautiful with a piano classic music here. So I just shot another, I couldn't help but shooting videos. It's so beautiful. music's really kind of inspirational, and people is listening to this guy playing piano. And just architecture is just spectacular, like breathtaking. And this piano is so like inspiring. And this humongous cathedral. It's just beautiful, like it's so inspiring. I can't tell you that, you know, how much energy and inspiration and motivation that I get from, you know, surrounded by these architectures and the culture. Alright guys, I think this is